Yeah, for sure.
It's been a backflip journey crew. You can say hey.
Do you want it like this?
Like this. Like this.
You want it like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
How's it going, everybody? This is P2, also known as the no damage runner, backflip runner, the backflip journey. I have a very important video for you guys. I know I've been getting a lot of requests, people sending me videos of them hurting themselves on a backflip. So I want to make a very important, quick tutorial here that's going to help you remarkably. This is going to improve not just your backflip, it's not going to improve your confidence, but it's going to improve your safety. That's what we want. We want to be safe, right? We want to be safe. Well, to be safe, well, that's what this video is about. So just like anything else, when it comes to backflips and things like that, you start off on something soft, nice, your body knows it's safe. One thing I've learned throughout my 8 months of the backflip journey and doing a solo backflip on concrete is confidence is everything. Number one thing you need to remember is do not, I repeat, do not mention the word, the mental, and then the B word. You already know it's this right here. You know what that's called. Don't mention it. What it's going to do is it's going to block you and stop. You're going to know how to do the move, but your body's going to freak out, or it's just going to be really confused. So in other words, start using the word or the letters MB. What does that do? It releases a chemical or like a signal to the brain to let you know, MB, okay, I'm fine, okay. It makes you feel more safe, okay? So use the word MB. Also, when it comes to anything of backflips, whatever your gesture is. So for me, I like to always stand like this and just, if I'm in a setting, if I'm on concrete, if I'm on ground, whatever, I hold my arms up like this, take some deep breaths. Think of you doing the move in your head, see you landing the move. If you see bells and stuff, don't worry about it, you're fine. Just concentrate on the action and the gesture of what you're doing. So I like to focus on what I'm seeing in my head, deep breaths, and I hold my arms up like this for a while. However long it takes, I don't care if it takes 5 minutes, 10 minutes, it's your safety. That's what I like to do. So go up like this. When you're doing a backflip, you hold a hollow like this. Take some deep breaths, big positive things, flowers, whatever, good reinforcement. And what I also like to do, number 2, look behind you. What that does is it sends a signal to the brain, oh, that's my environment. Okay, I see what's behind you. Sometimes, if you don't know what's behind you, your body's gonna freak out. Your body, it's the unknown. It's like a mystery and it gets scared. So you wanna make sure that whenever you're doing a backflip or doing anything backwards, upside down, always secure yourself by looking behind you. So I look behind me, deep breaths, 1, maybe 2, 3, 4, how many ever times it takes, and that's going to make you more comfortable and confident with your backflip. Now, these are things that took me 8 months to learn, so trust me, when I'm teaching you, it took me 8 months to learn. Another thing you can do is lay on the ground, have your arms up like this, and just hold your tongue, and just think of this and close your eyes. Just think of this and close your eyes. And think of how it's going to be with you in the air. And then quickly get up, jump up in the air, and that's going to it's going to kind of like bring back that feeling. That feeling is what I'm talking about. You want to get your body to the point where you're so comfortable with the move, where you can just do it when your body's comfortable. So connection is important. Connect to the ground, connect to the move, connect to yourself. Tell yourself, I can do this. This is getting easier. This might be a challenge, but my body can do it. Or, I know I can do this. I've done this before. I'm safe. Look at my environment. I have padding behind me. You know, I have cushions behind me. I got people supporting me. All of these things help you. Because in result, I'll do one real quick. In result, when you do this, it's gonna signal your brain, it's gonna signal your body to let you know that you're safe. So then when you're like this, step one, you hold your arms up like this, close your eyes, think positive about the move. Tell yourself you can do it, tell yourself it's easy, use the word MB. Don't use the other word because it will block you. 2, look behind you. Make sure where you're looking behind you, you're safe, secure. And 3, concentrate on your environment and how you feel. How you feel is the most important thing about backflips. If you feel off, your body's telling you, back off. If your body's telling you back off, then you start doing the exercises like I said, holding yourself up here for a little bit, sit down, lay down, look behind you, do some of these, do some jumps like this, get yourself a little pumped up, and just even go back and watch the videos you've done. If you've done flips before, go back and look at them. It's gonna bring more positive reinforcement. And then pretty soon, when you start to really, you'll know because your body's, you're gonna feel it. It's gonna be a feeling like when you look behind you, and your body's gonna tell you go. Like, you wanna do it, right? Mm-hmm. Good, do it. Good.
One from the side?
Yeah.
All right.
So it's gonna be a feeling like this.
Nice.
Whoa, that was clean.
That was really good.
You see what I'm saying? So what just happened? Why was that such a clean, inline backflip? Because my body is connected. Just like a computer, you're connected, right? You have wires, you're connected. Internet, you're connected. I'm not saying that we're like robots or anything. I'm saying these are so important. Energy's everything. Any ounce, I'm telling you, any ounce of negativity coming towards a MB, don't. If it starts, you'll know when it starts coming in because your body, you're either gonna start freaking out, belling out, you'll know. It'll just be off. You do these tips I told you, like you just saw what I did, every single time, I promise you. If you're on concrete, this is a very good tool. Even on concrete, do the same thing. Concrete, you're here, you hold yourself up like this, you look behind you, you look down, you see where you are. You see your environment, you look in front of you, you look behind you, you hold this position. Make sure you have at least a go spot, have a coach around. The safer you are, the better. I promise you, you'll never have a mental blank ever again. Block. You'll never have it ever again. And this is the fastest way to get rid of them. If they're coming in and you're in a safe, you're in an environment, you're like freaking out, like, oh my gosh, I thought I lost. Don't ever say the word, I lost the move. Don't ever say that. Tell yourself, you know the move, you've learned it, you've experienced it, you've evaluated it, you're good at it, you're getting better at it, and you're gonna be an expert at it. You see what I'm doing? I'm leveling up my confidence, and I'm leveling up my self-esteem. So then, I'm telling you, I already feel it. I already feel the feeling. It's just the energy, the connection is so strong right now. So like a second ago, I thought I could just throw it right on the concrete, you know, but that's what I'm talking about. Concentrate on those signals, the hollow, hold yourself, close your eyes, think positive, look behind you. If you have to look behind you 30 times, I don't care, 50 times, however long it takes your body to get comfortable. You gotta build up your confidence, build up yourself, make sure when you're holding your hollow, you're holding your set, see everything good. Talk positive about yourself, watch positive videos. Don't watch other videos of people don't do that. That I don't recommend that. If you want to watch it, okay, but just remember what you are capable of, your actions and signaling, the gestures is the most powerful thing to backflips, anything you do, okay? So this is a video I made for the people out there that's really struggling. I'm sorry this happened to you. I'm sorry you hurt yourself. I wish you a good recovery. I'm praying for you, but take this video seriously and your safety and security, please. Thank you.
Awesome.
That was the cleanest one of the night, dude.
Yeah, that was your best one.
That was like